Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can fix if we can't turn on or enable our location services in Windows 11. So there is some method I will show you so you can follow it. So let me start with the video. So first come to the search bar and search for edit group policy. Okay, search for edit group policy, just click on it and here you can see these options. Okay, under the computer configuration we need to go into that administrative templates, then we need to expand these Windows components, and here we need to find that location services and sensor. Select that. Here you can see your location service and sensor options. You will see the 2-3 list here. I have only one, so you need to what to do. If you have any option called sensor or location, first select the location, just double click on it and make sure it is non-configure or disable and just apply and OK. Same, you need to select sensor, double click on it and select non-configure or disable and apply it. Okay, this is the first method. Now we need to go in this option which is services. Just open the services settings and here we need to select that G and the geolocation services you need to find out. Double click on it and make sure it is select automatically and status should be running. Okay, select the automatic and just hit the start button, or we can stop first and then hit the start button and apply. Okay, I just select manual only because I don't want my location is already enabled, so I just select manual. Okay, you need to select automatic and just hit the start button if it is enabled, or you can stop first then start button and then apply. Okay, then you can need to restart your PC, then it is definitely your gray location option will be enabled. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.